I'm Rekha Modi, founder president of Istri Shakti, the parallel force. We have been advocating that women of India who are facing triple burden at home, in society, and also economic burden to run their families, that they should be given comfort. And through comfort, we mean free travel. Because we did a survey that if a woman is spending 35,000 rupees a year, out of which 24,000, which is 2,000 a day, she's spending only on her travel. Now that makes it very difficult for her to relax on to do other things. We are very grateful to BJP government for starting this on 1st June in Bengal, and we are hopeful that as you know, in India we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Only 8 organizations, 8 states have got it. The major states, Bihar, UP, Odisha, everywhere we need this facility, because women of India are all for the whole India. Not only one state should get a benefit. Namaskar.
Can we ask you questions?
Beg your pardon?
Can we ask you
Of
questions?
course, of course.
Madam, this
एक तो धीरे बात करो ना, धीरे 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 কথা চলছে।
what the government is giving, it is across all status of women. Those who are working,
yes,
they also get it.
yes. It is all status of women, because as you will know, at least our survey tells us that for a rich woman also, when she is aged, to spend money on a travel is very difficult. I have seen in London and other countries where everybody is availing public facility.
But in that case, the aged person. But
Yeah.
also those who are young, those who are around say 25 to 40,
Yes, if they can,
and they are working,
Yes.
they should get it.
yes, they should
And,
get it.
And high income group women, they also get it.
Yes, everybody should get, because
Then if a young guy, a boy who is unemployed and he doesn't earn anything, what is the problem with him?
it's a very good question. In India, we have this concept of each one supporting others. If that guy is unemployed, I'm sure if the money is saved, his sister, wife, mother will look after him. But as you know, after 80 years of independence, the condition of Indian men is 1,000 times better than Indian women. So we must support Indian women at this juncture, when after 80 years of independence, they are still struggling. As you know, the women don't come out of the house on their choice to work. They are coming because either they are beaten at home, many of them, either the husbands are drunkard, or they have left them. Our survey indicates that many women are facing so many issues, and if they have money, they don't waste. They support their brother, son, sister, everybody. So the men will never be excluded. Men are included through women, but women must save.